How to find Windows original install date and time. Knowing your Windows original install date is key for smarter audits, faster troubleshooting, and better IT planning. It could help with anything from tracking system performance to managing your hardware lifecycle. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why knowing the Windows install date matters. The Windows install date reveals a system's age, helping IT teams ensure security, software compliance, and plan timely upgrades. This minimizes downtime and keeps everything running smoothly. How to find the exact installation date of Windows. There are a few methods for finding the exact installation date of your operating system. Using command prompt. Just type command prompt in the search bar, right-click, and choose Run as Administrator. Then type System Info and hit Enter. Look for the original install date in the results. Using PowerShell. PowerShell is a built-in Windows tool for automation and scripting. Open PowerShell as administrator. Run this command to get the install date. It will show a long number format. To convert it to a readable date, use Using Registry Editor. The Windows registry stores key system info, including the install date. Press Win+R, type regedit, and press Enter. Go to HKEY_local_machine /software /Microsoft /Windows NT /current version. Find the install date entry. It's shown as a Unix timestamp. Use an online converter or PowerShell to turn it into a readable date. Using third-party tools. Built-in tools can show your Windows install date, but third-party apps give deeper, more detailed system info, especially for remote devices. Best practices for tracking OS install dates in professional environments. To keep systems running smoothly, IT teams should track Windows OS install dates to spot outdated devices and avoid performance or compatibility issues. Using endpoint management tools makes this easier by providing real-time data, automated alerts, and detailed reports. These features help IT pros act quickly, stay ahead of issues, and save time. Tracking Windows OS install dates helps IT teams manage device life cycles more efficiently by making it easier to plan updates, replacements, and audits, leading to better system reliability and smarter IT decisions. For more information, check out our official blog post on finding Windows original install date and time, linked in the description below.